Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live, everyone. Taking a look at the major averages this morning, we are in negative territory here to begin the last trading session of the month and of the quarter. For more, let's get to Yahoo Finance's Jared Blikre, who's joining us now at the Wi-Fi Interactive in studio. Jared?
Yes, well, sometimes you see pension funds rebalancing kind of help equities at the end of the quarter when they've been severely depressed, and that's not occurring today. We can see everything in the red, and let's just take a quick look at the S&P 500, how it has fared this month, and we can see it's down about 8.5%. In this quarter, it is down 4.5%. We can see that big rally that was forgotten, that was left in a trail of tears, continuing down in the month of September after that August peak. Now, here's what the sector action is looking like today. Not a lot of green. Let's see how this is shaking out. Real estate, a little bit of love here, but let's check out the month to date on these sectors. Seeing real estate, well, that is in the forefront today. That is the worst performing sector, followed by energy. We're going to take a look at futures in a second. Tech is down. Consumer communication services also down about 10%. Now, a lot of this has to do with what's happened with the U.S. dollar, so let's take a look at that. Here is the dollar versus all these other currencies over the world. This is over the last month, and we can see a lot of appreciation with respect to, for instance, the Norwegian krone, the Argentine peso, the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and these are emerging market currencies except for the British pound. And so the U.S. dollar rallying against the British pound has been a huge deal. In fact, you take a look at the year to date. I've written about this in our morning brief. It is up 21.9%, and that is despite monetary authorities there bucking the trend and actually engaging not in quantitative easing but bond buying to support their pension system. So lots of fallout here. Here's another month-to-date look on the futures market. We can see crude oil now again below $80 a barrel. We can see this year is pretty much round-tripped all of its gains. Hard to remember that it was in the 120s earlier this year, but it is now sunk below 80. So we got a big OPEC meeting next week, and they're going to decide, are they going to cut production? Are they going to ramp it up? Well, I don't think they're going to do that. But you know it's going to get political because we got those U.S. elections, and Biden, well, don't blame him. He doesn't like those high energy prices. So we'll have to see what happens with that, guys.
Jared, you gave me my term of the week, trail of tears.
Yes.
I like that. It has been a trail of tears throughout the quarter. Jared Blikre, thank you.